This is a watch smart key. Luxury. Luxury. Car. Knock. Unlock. Open trunk. So this almost 4 seconds. Yes, start. Stop. How did this stop? Now this work mode. Knock. Unlock. Open trunk. Press it 1 time. Light on. Unlock. Mute mode. Knock. Mute mode. Yes, good. Yes. Now it is work mode. I have transferred the mute mode to work mode. The first condition, press this for this 1 time, and then press this for this 1 time, and will be knock or mute mode. The operation is same.